What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I've got a beautiful case to unbox here. Not a sponsored video for you guys. So OtterBox is one of my favorite cases, and you all know that Technically T. If you don't know Technically T, man, he loves OtterBoxes. So go over and give him a shout out on Twitter. He'll love that. But this is for the 10 and the 10S. Now, I've been rocking with this phone since launch, and I can't let it go. I've had every iPhone pretty much, and this is the one that I've rolled back to. So these new, I've never been a fan of these pop sock things or pop sockets, but OtterBox decided, you know what, we're going to give you a pop socket and build it right into our case. So I decided to pick this up, man. This is a Symmetry series pop socket, and it's obviously serious drop protection. And you can actually swap out the pop socket things on the back here from the OtterBox one, and put like different colors or whatever. But ultimately what you're getting here is drop protection. And this is a pretty thin case, but it's still, got some grip and some protection it should have. No screen protectors or anything, because I already have a tempered glass on mine. I already have a tempered glass on here. And so I won't need a screen protector. But let's see if it's got some lip protection. Anyway, let me pop this out, because this is what this case is all about. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then it'll sit like this if you want it to. But really, these are used for like this, I believe. Like that. But I have really big hands, and I probably would only pop it out sometimes to watch a movie, because this has great stereo sound. So on this side right here, you can see the mute and vibrate switch is open, volume rockers covered, power buttons covered, and you've got some nice OtterBox branding right here. I'm really digging that. I think that's pretty cool. So let's pop it in here. And again, this is for pop. Get it? I'm just all jokes this morning. Pop. Let's pop the pop socket. Yeah, that's not funny. That wasn't even funny. I know it. But anyway, yeah. Buttons seem really, really nice and tactile. Get the unlock going. Yeah. And deeply recessed. That's the only thing about cases like this. They're going to be deeply recessed. And then you're not going to be able to, you have to stick a finger or something in there. But you can see here, you got the cutout at the top here. You got to have that kind of leveled out at the top of the case there. Yeah. And then the bottom is all good. All ports and everything, obviously, are going to line up just perfectly fine. And then you've got some OtterBox branding on the back here. I actually like this OtterBox because it's super thin, and it's something that I've really was interested in, because I didn't want to pop these. I don't like sticking things on the back of original phones or cases, so this is going to work. So we're going to pop the pop socket. That's just not funny. Yeah. Anyway, man, I want to shout out my man Technically T. This is the package that it comes in. And there you have it, man. Pop socket. The new OtterBox with the built-in pop socket. And again, you can change these out too. I guess you would just rip this off and put the other one on. But I like this, man. I like this. It's a nice thin case. You got some lay on the table design too. So there you have it, man. The new pop socket OtterBox. I'm in the house. I love OtterBox. I'm just messing with Technically T, man. He actually hates OtterBoxes. So anyway, you guys go shout him out on Twitter and link this video to him. He'll be pretty excited to know that you guys are supporting him for OtterBoxes. It's your man Jay, man. I'm out.